I'll tell you, this soupy weather is just not going to give us much of a break, even though we did get a little bit of a cool down yesterday as the north wind came in. You're looking at your WeatherBug camera down the marina. That's the marina down there. If you take my word for it, it's down there. And we want to thank First Community Bank for sponsoring that. We are looking at another morning with this foggy weather. Temperatures now, however, are 50 degrees. Yesterday at this time, we were about 65, 68. And that's because the north wind blew in about 2, 3 o'clock yesterday afternoon, and then all of a sudden we did get a little bit of a chill this morning. I didn't think the front would make it, but it made a fool out of me, and it came through. That 73 was actually at noon, and then the 55 was about 6 p.m., so that's a complete turnaround. We did get a fairly strong wind at about 26 miles an hour. Right now, it's the fog, the fog, the fog. You're all going to be dealing with it, heading to work or school, down to 1.75 miles out at the airport and 3 miles at Flower Bluff Naval Air Station. This soupy weather is just not going to go away. In fact, today we don't have any rain opportunity because the upper deck clouds moved away, but all that low cloud cover is just going to be hanging here until something big happens. What is that something big that could happen? Well, there it is. That's the big Arctic front that's diving down into our area. It should be here on Sunday afternoon, and it will blow the clouds away for a little bit, but it doesn't last for very long. Got some video to show you of that monster storm. This is Northern California, north of San Francisco. It's up along the Russian River, and they've had so much rain now. They're completely waterlogged. So any rain that falls or snow melt becomes floodwaters, and there's probably 20 or 30 communities that are isolated because of the roadways that have been cut off. But that's in Guerneville up there north of San Francisco and Santa Rosa. As we look at our weather, we watch to see this. This front will be dropping down with a big Arctic blast that's going to be affecting us. Our temperatures will be dropping dramatically in North Texas. We will even get down, dipping down into the 40s, while probably freezing weather is likely as far south as San Antonio, Austin. Definitely Dallas will be below freezing. In fact, right now they're getting a little bit of ice sleet up here along I-20. So the front is down south. It's not going to be much of an issue. In fact, it's going to stall, maybe give us a little bit of a south wind tomorrow. I don't expect a lot of clearing, although 1 or 2 rays of sun are possible. But the main event is right here. Sunday afternoon, about 4 o'clock, the winds will slam through the area, and it'll be very windy on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I'm talking cold wind, and you're really going to be looking for your winter coat because we're going to need it. Watch these temperatures. Today will be in the 60s, then up to 70s for Saturday and half of Sunday. Sunday night, the north wind blows in, and by Monday morning, down to 42, high of 48, down to 38 on Tuesday morning, high of 52. So, yeah, that's what we call a chill. Now, it's going to be mostly cloudy or partly cloudy for 2 days, and then mostly cloudy for the latter half of the week when we begin to slowly warm up. That is your 7-day forecast brought to you by NEC Co-op Energy. Don't go away, folks. We'll be right back with more Sunrise after this.